all your tools for sure.
Yeah. Look at this. Too.
Yeah. Yeah. That's a professional stance, Henry.
No, you probably hit a chunk of aggregate. Did you get by it?
So I was video.
So are we.
So, as a biker, there's a curve that we put your bike out here.
Well,
Is this the normal standard?
where they were before.
Yeah.
We've been using our.
You just have to put it like this.
You put your bike like that, and you don't go hanging over the curb, and you lock over here.
That's great. That's forward on it. It's really
Isn't that
nice.
something? We had to take matters into our own hands because the D-Dog is so long.
So how did you do it? You just put them in yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, well, thank you very much. Fantastic. So you just stick it right in.
Do you know about Washington Area Bicyclist Association?
Yeah, I get their emails.
Oh, fabulous. So you're a person who's done something with us before? You probably are.
Sure. It's been a while, though. I try to, help out and write
what's
letters
your
when
name?
I'm Lynn.
Lynn. Hello, I'm sorry, I'm so dirty. I'm Dorcas, and this is Jen, and this is
Hi.
Nice to
Sorry
meet
to
you.
interrupt the photo.
Nope, not at all.
We need you in it.
Oh, I just do my level of
Okay.
participation usually just
Let's have a picture with Henry doing that. I wish you had a compressor at your house for cleaning. For dusting.
I am jealous of all your tools for sure.
Yeah. Look at this. Too.
Yeah. Yeah. That's a professional stance, Henry.
No, you probably hit a chunk of aggregate. Did you get by it?
So I was video. Yeah.
That wasn't very dramatic. There wasn't a lot of dust in
It was loud. Wow.
Okay.
All right.
Done.
Sawdust.
Okay.
Street dust.
There have been so many people going by because there's a convention somewhere like the Hilton, the Ronald Reagan Hilton.
Yeah, you know what convention's going on right now?
What?
It's called Value Voters or something.
Huh.
The people who like small town America. These are the paling natives. I saw some lady walk by with a paling bus.
I wonder if they
Ew.
EPG so that we...
Oh. Oh yeah, you did Gilmore, right?
Yeah.